Introducing Power of 2 P2. Before getting into our concern, let's meet with Tron Smart Contract. Tron is a blockchain platform that has been developed to support high throughput and smart contracts. It allows developers to build and deploy their own daps decentralized applications. With only a minimum income of 50 TXR, $1 at the exchange, you made the corresponding proportional part every second, and you can choose if you want to reinvest or withdraw the capital. Other major benefit of choosing the Tron network for smart contract MLM development is that the transaction speed of Tron, i.e., 25,000 TPS, which is many times greater than Bitcoin and Ethereum network transactions. The transaction fee of TRX is nearly zero, which makes crypto users prefer TRX to ETH, BTC, and more. In our case, this is a Tron Smart Contract, one of the cryptocurrencies among these on which it is possible to create smart contracts. It is transparent and impossible to hack, manipulate, or delete. It will continue to work as far as the blockchain exists. Follow us on Facebook to get to know more about the Power of 2 P2 Smart Contract and the exciting financial opportunities provided by Power of 2.